Welcome to ARDEX Americas.
We primarily make cement, so it's important to have foundation for like businesses, for any structure really. You think of like cement, you know, where we live, you see it, we're walking on sidewalk and stuff, so it's a very critical part of society today.
So I think the cool thing about manufacturing is that you're creating something. You know, you can kind of see your product not only being made here, but you can see it being used on floors really all over the United States and all over the world. So that was one of the most interesting things that kind of drew me toward manufacturing, as opposed to some of these other jobs where you don't really have a tangible end product. I like manufacturing because you have a product on the shelf, something that you can actually use, actually see being used, and there are people who are very, very loyal to the brand.
So I didn't know at first that manufacturing would have marketing and stuff, but it's like any other business where we need to sell the product. So the marketing side of it, there was an opportunity for me to do an internship here, and I haven't left.
So the typical like health, dental, vision, but one in particular that I like to talk about is their tuition reimbursement program, which I definitely took advantage of while I was working in production. I went through that program, and because I got good grades, they reimbursed me. So I was able to get the degree to come and work in the accounting department like I am now.
How has manufacturing changed your life?
Well, it has certainly given me a lot of opportunities. So I started out in college. I was a journalism major, and I had intended to go into writing for a newspaper or a magazine, and somehow along the way I ended up in corporate roles, and I've been in a lot of manufacturing roles. There is sort of an endless opportunity, especially here in Pittsburgh, I think.
Manufacturing makes the world go round.